To keep your Facebook page safe and successful, it's important to avoid breaking the rules. Don't post harmful content like hate speech, violent images, or false information, as these can get your post removed or your page banned. Stay away from using misleading headlines, like clickbait, to trick people into clicking on your posts. Only share content you create or have permission to use. Stealing or copying someone else's work can lead to copyright problems. Make sure your posts follow Facebook's monetization rules by avoiding spam, overly promotional content, or inappropriate topics. Also, keep an eye on the comments on your posts and remove anything offensive or spammy, as it can hurt your page's reputation. Lastly, don't try to cheat by buying fake likes or followers, as this can lead to penalties and damage your trust with Facebook and your audience. Following these simple guidelines will help your page grow and stay successful.